Council has now endorsed a Restart Port Stephens plan. It's a phased program of works right across our community. It's for sporting groups, community groups, for business, to help them restart and get back to doing what they do best. The Restart Port Stephens plan was formed with a dedicated team here at Port Stephens Council, using the latest government data, using the information you provided to form a plan for us to move forward. Some of the top priorities for our community is building on our infrastructure program, bringing back tourists to the area and feeling more connected right across our community. This is what our Restart Port Stephens plan is all about. The COVID-19 crisis changes quite rapidly, and we've seen that right across Australia. That's why this Restart Port Stephens document is a living document. It'll continue to change as the needs of our community change. If you are wanting to access the document, it is on our council website at portstephens.nsw.gov.au. Stay safe all, talk soon.